Okay, welcome back, everybody. This is Eric from E-eMusic Studio. I am not going to waste your time on this one. We're going to look into um, making Afrobeats. So I have on my channel rack, I have my kick, I have my peck rims, and I have a snare. I also would want to put in log drum, the one I created myself. First things first, we are just going to have to create the pattern, or we can actually just create the chord progression. I've made already MIDI chords, MIDI piano chords already here. So it's just a drag and drop. I'm on C sharp. I'm using this voice, E-Piano Live from Flex. Flex is a stocking plugin on FL. FL Studio is what I use as my DAW. We just open up a piano roll and then we drag and drop. Let's see how it looks like. Now let's work on the tempo first. Let me take it to 1-5, 1-4, 1-4. All right, save this here as okay. So we have that. I'm just going to drag and drop this on my playlist here, and then let's create the pattern quickly. I'm using a 2-bar pattern creation 2-bar. So let's start with the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the basic. Let's go to song playlist arrangement. Increase the velocity as we go. Let's drop in. We have that there. Now let's put in the kick. Let's put the kick there. Let's remove that loop. So putting in that log drum. As simple as this is good to go. This is just good to go like this. Remember, these are all drag and drop, nothing yet. All the velocities have increased to give that originality in the sound. Let's pick something from Harmless. Bass guitar from Harmless. Let's play bass guitar. I have a preset here, rubber bass rubber, or piano. Let me use bass rubber first. Let me put that in there. You want to make something simple, so pattern 2, that bass line, let's rub that in. Record, and then 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Let's see if we can quantize this. Control A highlight or control scroll mouse, and then let's see control Q quantize. Let's see if that works. Sorry about that. Nice one. So there you have it. That is how I produce an Afro R&B beat. Very soft, good for R&B, flav, even for rap. Yes, you can do that. So I'll see you next time on the other one. I'm going to do a video on how to save your progressions as MIDI that you can drag and drop. I have a lot of them. Each time I do a project, and I find that they are very good. They are just save those progressions and guitar lines, bass lines as MIDI for future references. Makes your work easy. You can actually pick from there, chop it up, and then use it in other projects. All right, I'll see you. God bless you.